Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wonderpick in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first just open up your Pokemon TCG Pocket game and then simply come to the home screen of your game. And once you do that, you will be able to see this Wonderpick option. So simply click on that and then first thing you will notice that there are these currencies at the top that is displaying. So these are the currency that you will use to pick any of these cards. So it's also showing how much currency it will cost you to open any of these cards. So such as this first one will cost us 1, second will cost us 2. So this third one will cost us 3. So this is how this currency system works in Wonderpick. Now basically from here what you have to do is just simply select the card picks that you want to get. So if I want to get any of these cards, such as I want to get this this card, so I will just click on this deck and then simply after this click on this OK button, and then it's going to shuffle all the cards randomly, and from here you have to select one card, and if you get the lucky you will get the card you wanted. So just like I selected, and as you can see I get it the card that I wanted. So that's how this system works in Pokemon TCG. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.